In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade BNB meme coins using GMGN AI. Now, the first thing you'll need is a GMGN account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Again, link down below. You will not regret it. To actually trade BNB meme coins on here, first you have to go ahead and switch to the Binance Smart Chain by clicking up here, switching to BSC. And then here you then again have to basically deposit some BNB coins on here. As you can see, you'll be able to see your wallet and you can deposit like you would deposit any crypto to any platform, okay? Now, after you do that over here, of course, make sure you actually are sending only BNB on the BEP20 network, okay? Because it says over here that it only does support this. So make sure you actually are in line with these guidelines over here. And then whenever you have some balance on here, you can go ahead and start trading. So you can see inside tranches here, you can basically go ahead and see a bunch of different meme coins and protocols, and they're getting created every single minute now. So there's new meme coins, almost bonded, and then the bonded or migrated ones as well. And you can just go ahead and search for one. Let's say you find the coin you'd like to buy, just simply click on it. And here on the right hand side, you can then buy and sell it and thus trade it. Okay, so you can go to, for example, buy, type in the amount you want to buy, like I'm going to do 0.1, and whenever you're ready, you can just click on the buy button. And then whenever you're ready to sell, you can just click on sell and select how much of your coin you'd like to sell, or of course, just put in the amount. Okay, so that's how easy it is to actually trade BNB meme coins using GMGN AI. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.